Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is accept. Accept is a verb, and it means to agree to receive or take something. Pretty straightforward, right? But this little word has a lot of practical uses and is essential for polite and professional communication. Let's get a bit deeper into it. When you accept something, you're not just receiving it. You're doing so with agreement or willingness. For example, if someone offers you help, you might say, "I accept your help," meaning you're agreeing to receive it. Now, let's look at some synonyms to help expand your understanding. Synonyms for accept include receive, take, and admit. Here's how they work in sentences. She was happy to receive the gift from her friend, or he decided to take the job offer after careful thought, or even the school decided to admit more students this year. Each of these sentences shows a similar willingness or agreement to accept something offered. On the other hand, some antonyms for accept include reject, decline, and refuse. Using these in sentences might look like this. She had to reject the invitation because she was busy. Or, he chose to decline the offer after thinking it over. Or, they refused the package at the door. These words all show an unwillingness to receive or agree to something. So, how can you use accept in everyday life? Well, there are plenty of situations. Imagine your friend offers you a ride home. You might say, "Thanks, I accept your offer." Or, in a workplace setting, if someone invites you to a meeting, you could respond, "I accept the invitation and look forward to attending." It's a polite way to show agreement and willingness, making it very useful in social and professional settings. Let's go over a few more examples of accept in action. The teacher is happy to accept her student's project even though it was a day late. Or, after some thought, she decided to accept his apology. As you can see, accept is often used in situations where a decision is made to receive something, whether that's help, an invitation, or even an apology. To recap, accept is a verb meaning to agree to receive or take something, and it's especially useful in both everyday and professional language. Remember that synonyms like receive and admit can help reinforce your understanding, while antonyms like reject and decline highlight a different choice. Thanks so much for tuning into today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word accept. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Think of your own sentence using accept and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of words.